Today I will show you how to create a gradient text in Figma. First we will add a text and we will write gradient text and we will give it some styling to make it bigger. Let's say 40 pixels. Actually, let's do more, like 64 pixels. And let's add it a different font. I will use this one and let's make it bold, semi-bold. Okay, that's fine. So if you want to add a gradient text if you want to add a gradient color to the text, what you need to do is you need to go under this fill option. You need to click on this color, and here you can choose a gradient next to solid color. So you just click gradient, and then you have these two color options. This is linear gradient, and we have black and another black with zero opacity, and we can change these colors. For example, let's use a yellow color for this gradient, for this color, and let's use orange for this one, and let's give it some opacity to 100%. And now we have a linear gradient text. If we want to change from linear to radial or any other, we go under here, and here we have 4 options. Here we can choose radial, or we can choose angular, or we can choose diamond. Now if you want to add more colors to your gradient, all you need to do is click here and you added a new color. And now we can change it to, let's say, green, or okay, let's say this green color, and now you have 3 colors in your gradient. And now we can also change it to, let's say, radial, and you can see how it has 3 colors. And that's how you create a gradient text in Figma.